Hey guys, welcome back to Lawn Lessons with Jordan. Today, we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of your lawn in February. February might feel like a dead month for your lawn, but what you do and don't do right now can really affect your success along with your spring green up. Let's talk about what you should be doing and what you absolutely should be avoiding. Most homeowners either do too much in February or nothing at all. Let's talk about the 3 smart things that you should be doing right now. You want to stay off your frozen or saturated grass. The reason being is because walking on this frozen saturated grass, it's going to actually can break the crown of that plant, and therefore you're going to be leaving dead tracks or dead spots in the lawn. Less traffic now means stronger roots and faster green up this spring. Do remove heavy debris gently. If you have large sticks or matted leaves that were kind of there from last fall, that are kind of creating a space for mold or disease to grow, you want to lightly get rid of those on a nice dry day. But you don't want to do a full spring cleanup yet. Do check for snow mold or matted areas in the turf. As the snow melts, look for those patches that are pink or light gray in the lawn. Once the lawn is dry, you want to lightly fluff or rake those areas to improve airflow. Most of the time this isn't an issue and grows out on its own, but catching it early can prevent bigger issues later on. Now let's talk about what not to do, because February don'ts are usually what causes larger problems later on in the spring. Don't fertilize yet. Grass is not actively growing, so therefore it's not actively intaking anything as well. Throwing down nitrogen too early can impact grass growth and also be a waste of money. Don't overseed. It's too cold right now. Plus, if you're going to get a spring pre-emergent, that can really affect your seeding, so you want to determine a good plan for that as well. And also the seed will not germinate until we get the right timing and temperatures. Don't aerate. The ground is either too hard or it can be too soft, so you actually cause more damage than doing good for the lawn. Don't mow just because it's a warm day. When we get our first 50-degree day, that doesn't mean to go out and mow. The lawn could still be wet, could still be firm in places. Wait for consistent growth and firm soil. Don't panic about brown grass or lawns that haven't greened up quite yet. Dormant doesn't mean dead. West Michigan lawns can go brown or dormant to protect themselves in the wintertime. February isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things at the right time. If you want your lawn to green up faster and thicker this spring, get ahead of it now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, let us know any comments you may have. Until next time, have a good one.